portfolio's chart looks like an ECG again. Why does investing feel like guessing stock market's mood swings?
Your portfolio's all vibes, no variety. No squad, no strategy, no adequate diversification. That's like building a cricket team with just bowlers.
I swear, my portfolio is just one meme away from being viral for all the wrong reasons.
Time for an upgrade then.
Easy for you to say. How do you even avoid this drama? The news says one thing, chat groups say another.
That's exactly the trap. Emotions. You need a smart plan, not impulsive reactions.
A smart plan?
Yes, Sundaram Multi-Factor Fund. Think of it like assembling the superheroes of investing. Each factor has a superpower. Together, they're unbeatable. Value. The bargain hunter. Picks good quality stocks with low PE or PB ratios and with high margin of safety. Quality, the fortress. Picks solid, stable businesses. Momentum, the fast tracker. Rides the winners. Growth, the future builder. Bets on future champs, that is, growing companies with steady earnings. Size, the captain cool. Acts as an overlay.
So instead of betting on one star, you've got a dream team.
Exactly. No weaklings. And best of all, a factor-based portfolio avoids human bias. And, compared to a conventional portfolio, differs in sector mix, market cap exposure, and stock weights, making it a smart complement to your existing investments. Multi-factor investing helps you avoid major investing mistakes.
Like?
Oh, plenty. Recency bias. Balanced factors cut the noise of what's hot. Herd mentality. Rule-based picks means no crowd following. Confirmation bias. Data over opinions. Loss aversion. No panic selling. Just disciplined rebalancing. Multi-factor strategies follow a rule book.
This fund's got more discipline than me during exams.
Plus, check out the back-tested results. Higher risk-adjusted returns. 3 and 5 year rolling outperformance with respect to benchmark. Dynamic sector rotation is equal to agility. 1 crore invested in the Sundaram multi-factor model portfolio in 2015 would have grown to approximately 5.5 crore rupees, significantly outperforming the BSE 200 TRI, which rose to 3 crore rupees over the same period. So, these factors ride rallies and cushion falls.
Wow! So I don't need a finance degree to start investing?
Not even close. This fund's got built-in brains like rules, data, and discipline. You just sit back and let the strategy do its thing.
So, you're telling me I could have been investing smarter all along?
It's never too late to start smart. Sundaram Multi-Factor Fund lets your money move with strategy, not stress.
That's lit. It isn't just investing. It's therapy with returns.
Trends fade. Strategies stay. Make your money work smarter. Don't chase noise. Pick a strategy that adapts. Think multi-factor. Choose Sundaram Multi-Factor Fund. Investors can subscribe to the new fund offer NFO between July 2nd, 2025 and July 16th, 2025.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.